So the David Shepherd Wildlife Foundation, or DSWF, is a wildlife conservation charity set up by the late wildlife artist David Shepherd, OBE. We do incredible work across Africa and Asia. We specialise in endangered animals, and our focus is on fighting wildlife crime. We are small but mighty. We fit in a single room above a shop front in a small village in the Surrey Hills in the UK. But boy, do we hit above our weight. One of the reasons we can do that is because of the website.
Yeah, this project really did mean a lot to us at Strategic. There was a lot of late nights. There were a lot of people dotting the I's, crossing the T's in their own time, in evenings and weekends. And, there was a lot of celebration and success when the website went live. It was such a rewarding project for us to take on as an agency.
Our 8 species are the snow leopard, lions, tigers, rhinos, elephant, painted dog, pangolins, and chimpanzees. So they are animals that have a real impact on their ecosystem, on the other animals that live around them. Engagement is really key. And again, having that really strong digital presence makes that possible. It makes it appealing to reach out to us. It makes it appealing to support us.
The website behind the scenes is working incredibly hard, not just to provide the best and simplest user interface to create fantastic content, but also to set up appeals whereby if there's a particular fundraising activity or event that has a theme coming up, that can be set up without any code or any support from us at the agency to provide dedicated landing pages for fundraising.
It just means that when we want to do the really cool creative stuff, I've got my team with me who are 2 other people in the marketing team. It means I've got them at 100%. We're not doing admin. We're not doing the boring stuff. We're not chasing things up. We're creating killer content because we've had that freedom that comes from basically having the digital stuff taken care of.
We saw 44% more time spent on site from users learning about conservation, and an increase of 56% in engagement, turning visitors into actual donors. And I think one of the key reasons for doing that was that the content, the design made everything so accessible and allowed that storytelling to guide people on those user journeys that we'd designed in the early stages of the project.
The visibility of the website has, reached all-time highs. People now know who David was and know what he did. With the website, we can take that history, we can take that archive, we can take videos, we can, keep his legacy not just alive, but thriving.
So for us, working with such a special charity and such a great, receptive, collaborative team with Luke and his colleagues, it really has been a pleasure through the whole process.
The challenges are huge. We've never had a bigger job to do, but we've also never been in a better position to do it. Technology, government agencies, sort of people power. We have never been in a better potential to do more for wildlife. I would just encourage everybody to swing by the website or swing by our socials, because we'll show you that that's the case.